Hello everyone, good afternoon Ananda. So today topic is Go programming language. So let us introduce ourselves. My name is Karthikeya. I am from Buchiredipalem. Regarding my education, currently I am pursuing IMCA in Krishna Chaitanya Institute of Science and Technology.
This is Praveen. Now I am studying in Krishna Chaitanya Degree College. Presently I am pursuing IMCA final year Wi-Fi. I am the former NSS section coordinator in this college. So over to you, Vasanth.
Good afternoon, Ananda. Respected sir. My name is Vasanth. I am from Nellore. Currently, I am pursuing Krishna Chaitanya Degree College under Vikram Singh.
So let us introduce what is about Go language. Go language is completely different from other languages. So I am very big thanks to Vasanth sir for giving this opportunity. I am grateful to take this. So let us discuss what is agenda. So agenda means if any project, if any PPT, agenda is the main thing to learn what is the topic to tell the audience. So roadmap, history, what is Go, why big problems, and as well as tools, types, loops, companies using Go, all those things we have to learn here. So roadmap. So this is the roadmap. We have to learn Go programming language. First of all, we have to learn the basics of the computer language, like what is the Windows operating system, and as well as networking, LAN, WAN, all of these things we have to learn. Then we will see. One of the approach that is Go. If you want to learn Go programming language, first of all we have to learn the basics like syntax, infills, all those things we have to learn. And if you want to become a Go developer, go into deeper. So then we have to learn building CLIs. CLIs means we are all know CLIs means command line interface. We have to build our own CLIs, and there is have a interfaces and as well as channels. All those things we have to learn. We have to create apps. Compared to other languages, Go language gives more compatible and giving best secure. So coming to the history, Go was developed in the year of 2007 by Google. So the main thing is Google want to solve their problems. The performance and networking in this Go language is completely high apart from other languages and giving multi-processing system. In one time we can do multiple operations, and as well as we are on Twitter. In our mobile application, Twitter is the main thing to see what is the topic are there. So by using Go programming language, they are developed. So this is the history, behind the success of the Go. And in 2007, the main success of the Go programming language by three members, Rob Greenman and Rob Pick, and as well as Kim Thompson. In the year of 2008, they will give set a family to develop in later versions, and in 2009 to become a public version. In 2010, programmers are adopting this programming language. So these are the founders behind the success of Go programming language. So these are the versions in the Go programming language. In each version, they will give improvement from the previous versions and give best performance from later versions. So what is Go? Go programming language used to solve Google problems. So we had all know Google is using one of them. Google is everywhere. We have to search anything in Google. We have to search them. So Google has a big problems. What is big problems? So in this big problems means. So this is the big problems. Our software is big. It has thousands of lines. By using Go programming language, we don't need to write all of those things. Just to make packages, then call them. That's it. So these are the features, clean and simple. Compared to other languages, it gives simple and clean. So we do easy to write, easy to learn, and concurrent. We can do multiple operations at a time, and garbage collection and fast. Compared to other languages, Java or Python, it gives more fast and give best stability and safe. It gives more secure. And standard format, it has a standard format to see what is the thing we have to learn. And open source, it can be available for everyone. So it eliminates slowness, eliminates clumsiness, all of the things this programming language gives. So these are the tools in Go programming language. Whenever we install our Go programming language in our computer, these are the tools we have to use: building, compiling, running, environment test. We have to test the application by using just use test. fix tools. These are the tools we have to learn. So this is the environment step in Ubuntu. Ubuntu means Linux. So if you want to install in Linux operating system, this is the command. So this is the atom code editor. We have to use this command sudo apt get install atom. In this Windows we have to see Go version in command line interface. So let us see in bit of the code. So this is the basic syntax we have to learn. In Go programming language, the execution starts from main package. So import FMT. The behind the FMT is if you want to print anything in Go programming language as an output, we use FMT package. It is a format package. So we don't need to see all of these things. Just see fmt.println hello world. So these are the data types. Boolean. We all know what is the data type to store data. Whatever the user wants. So this is the packages. Packages are compound packages. So the package starts from main package. So this is the execution starts package main import fmt name. Whenever we call name, this string will be displayed in output. So these are the variables. If you want to store, if you want to perform any arithmetical operations during the execution by using variables, we can do it. So these are the functions. We are all know functions. Functions is a main thing in every programming language. Larger programs can be break into smaller modules. Just to call them, we have to reduce the code repetition. So this is a loop for loop. So in previous language we have a while loop, do while, but in Go programming language only for loop. So this is the syntax for loop. We don't need to round brackets. All of this we don't need to write that. So this is the if condition. If you want to filter the results by using if condition, whenever we have to use if condition, the output will give based on the condition. So if else condition, if the condition is true, it gives one of the statements. If condition is false, they give another one of the statements. If else if. Firstly, the execution starts from firstly based on the condition it checks. If it is true, then inside the statement will be executed. If it is false, then we will check another condition. If it is true, then inside the statement. If it is false, then we will execute else statement. So switch case is in VB we are on a switch case is case statement. So based on the cases, we have to see if any case statement is true, they will as email verified tool. Whatever the email comes in, we have to verify it is authorized or not authorized, and as well as CRM fiber, Slack boot means we have to create one WhatsApp like file uploading, file manager in VB. Scenarios are also discussed before class. We have to create in our new my computer. So coming to the conclusion, Go programming is a high-level programming language. It is an object-oriented programming language. It completely depends on the packages. It uses more secure, more compatible other than previous languages, Java or Python. So the main reason of the Go programming language is to solve Google problems. So these are the references we have to search in the Google Go programming language. So thank you so much for giving this opportunity. That's it.
నాకు కూడా గో లాంగ్వేజ్ గురించి కూడా ఐడియా లేదు, కానీ చూస్తూ ఉంటే తెలుస్తుంది మనకి గో లాంగ్వేజ్ అనేది ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్ని యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం, దాంట్లో దేని పర్పస్ కోసం యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం అనేది. అసలు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద గో లాంగ్వేజ్ అండి?
No statements are true, then we will default will be executed. So companies using Go, Docker and as well as Google, Amazon, Go programming language using these companies to produce more compatible, more secure. So these are the project areas. If you want to create a project as email verified tool, whatever the email comes in, we have to verify it is authorized or not authorized, and as well as CRM fiber, Slack boot means we have to create one WhatsApp like file uploading, file manager in VB. Scenarios are also discussed before class. We have to create in our new my computer. So coming to the conclusion, Go programming is a high-level programming language. It is an object-oriented programming language. It completely depend on the packages. It use more secure, more compatible other than previous languages, Java or Python. So the main reason of the Go programming language is to solve Google problems. So these are the references we have to search in the Go programming language. So thank you so much for giving this opportunity. That's it.